Hello class and welcome to the next module. This next module will actually be 3 weeks into one so we can finish or complete an argumentation research essay or an argumentative, which I will just refer to as the R. So this module will run from, since it's 3 weeks, October 30th to November 19th. So let's go through. First is the overview. You can look over the objectives and the outcomes, then the plan of attack, which I'm kind of doing right now in the overview video. Week 12 is the first week here. That goes from October 30th to November 5th. This week, you're really going to concentrate on the annotated bibliography. There is a specific video here with the requirements to watch if you're not sure what an annotated bibliography is. I'll walk you through that process. Week 13 is your peer revising. Peer revising quickly is once you and your group have, or if you're working alone, you're going to put your essay here, the sloppy copy. I'll go over that, and then you're going to revise another group. Now remember, you see 3 classes here. I have them, obviously you'll only see your class, but here for FERPA rules, again, I have to have them separated. But the peer revising, I will have a video here for you to watch specifically about the peer revising. And this is very similar to what you did in week 8 when you went over Romero's isms essay. And then week 14 is the I should change that to argumentative, but it's argumentation research essay, the R, and that'll be due Sunday, November 19th. The requirements are here. Again, I'll have a specific video in there. And then the last part, these are due all by the 19th of November. Work on these throughout. So you can work on them week 12, 13, 14, whenever you have time. So for 5, 6, 9, and chapter 10, these are all reviews. So just take a look and you will complete alternate test, mastery test 1 and 2. Alternate test, mastery test 1 and 2. You can rewatch the videos if you need to. And then one I have added, that which is new, is, come back, a reading selection. So when you go into Townsend Press, at the bottom you'll see reading selection 1. Read the story. What I would honestly do is there are comprehension questions that you have to answer. I would open those comprehension questions, and they're based on the skills that you've learned throughout, like locating the topic sentence, inferencing, listing, addition. These questions will come from that, but instead of having them in separate little readings, you have a larger selection to find these answers. So again, open up the questions, read the questions first, and then read the selection, and that'll give you a nice purpose for reading and what you're looking for to answer the questions. Do not, if you open the questions, submit them, because once they're submitted, it's closed and I will not reopen them. All right, everybody, so let me jump back, make sure I covered everything. So week 12 is the annotated bibliography. Again, there's a video that's going to be here. Peer revising is week 13. Again, there's a video that goes here. And then week 14, I will have a video here. I probably would look at the requirements for the research essay before I went to the annotated bibliography, because when I'm explaining that, you'll have ideas of what resources you're going to look for. And then the peer revising, I would watch that video last. All right, everybody, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye.